From Sooner Standards, the complete 6th grade computer science bundle. Every Oklahoma CS standard for 6th grade, in one no-prep collection. 22 standards-aligned units cover all 5 strands: algorithms and programming, computing systems and networks, data analysis, and impacts of computing. Every unit includes a full teacher guide with pacing and a rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in checkpoints. Every single unit is built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, a standard mastery rubric, a visual comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection on every unit. You also get assessments with answer keys, hands-on activities, vocabulary puzzles, family letters, and certificates. That's a full year of computer science, over 750 print-ready pages, aligned to Oklahoma standards. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,